Can Biopython perform Seq.find, accounting for ambiguity codes? I want to be able to search a Seq object for a subsequent Seq object accounting for ambiguity codes. For example, the following should be true. If ambiguity codes were taken into account, the answer should be. But the answer I get is that no match is found, or. Looking at the Biopython source code, it doesn't appear that ambiguity codes are taken into account, as the subsequence is converted to a string using the private _get_seq_str_and_check_alphabet method, then the built-in string method find is used. Of course, if this is the case, that R ambiguity code will be taken as a literal R, not an OR-G. I could figure out how to do this with a homemade method, but it seems like something that should be taken care of in the Biopython packages using its Seq objects. Is there something I am missing here? Is there a way to search for subsequence membership accounting for ambiguity codes?
From what I can read from the documentation for Seq.find here, this URL, it appears that this method works similar to the str.find method in that it looks for exact match. So, while the DNA sequence can contain ambiguity codes, the Seq.find method will only return a match when the exact subsequence matches. To do what you want, maybe then search function will work. Search for motifs with degenerate positions.